Hey everyone, welcome to the nest. It is Friday. Oh my gosh, that's right. I forgot. We changed our cooking name. It is now Cooking with Jimmy K. So we're changing up the channel a bit because it is all cooking videos. So it's really what it was supposed to be in the first place. So tonight we're making some hoagie dip amongst a lot of other things. I'm joined here by my precious cat Nunu. So anyway, back to the hoagie dip. So for this recipe, what we're going to do is we've got a half a pound of ham, uncured ham, deli ham's fine, half a pound of pepperoni, half a pound of salami. We're going to do about 16 slices of provolone cheese, about a cup of mayo, so this is Duke's, I use Duke's, I love Duke's, about a half a cup to 3/4 cups of onion. This kind of is really to your taste because some people don't like a lot of onions. We're going to do about 3/4 cup, maybe a cup of iceberg lettuce. Because this dip is so good the next day, I go easy on the iceberg lettuce because that generates some liquid when you leave it overnight, and that makes it a little soggy. Also going to put in about a half to 3/4 cups of mild banana pepper rings. You could, again, use hot pepper rings. It's really up to you. And then we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. So what we're going to do is we're going to dice all of this up. The meat very thin, the cheese. We're going to get that all together mixed up nice. Then we're going to do our onion, our mayo, and just mix it all together. Alright, we're going to take these onions and put them in my little trusty OXO food ripper. This is a great little tool to have in the kitchen. If you do some onions up, which we do a lot. We're going to be doing some Euro type Greek food tonight. And look at what a nice job that does. Gets those onions real nice and small. We're going to get our peppers. I'm just going to do a rough chop on those. Could also add a little bit of the pepper juice. Just a note on the lunch meat and the cheese, when you slice it and dice it, it can become stuck together. It'll loosen up once you bring the dip together. But you can freeze your lunch meat a little bit just so it's easier to cut, but you don't want to freeze it too much where it gets soggy when you thaw it out. Then we're also got our 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, and like I said, we're going to do probably about that much iceberg lettuce should do it. That might be like a cup maybe. Want to get that nice and diced. Like I said, this tends to add some liquid once it sits a while, so I don't put too much of it in. But since we're going to eat this probably in 2 hours, I'll put it in now to let the dip set up. But you don't have to put it in until later either, so that will work for you. Then we got our cup of mayonnaise that we're going to put in. So now that we're getting near the end, I won't use my hands. So we'll just mix this up with a spatula. I'm going to get that Italian seasoning in there. And again, use this to your taste, the Italian seasoning, because this is dried herbs, so it can get pretty potent after it sits for a while. And there you have it. Hoagie dip. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for supporting Cooking with Jimmy K.